Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to get the time widgets or date widgets on our Windows 11 or the Windows 10. Step will be same for both operating systems. So first of all, we need to download two small softwares. So let me go to the Google or Firefox. And you will see here the time. Once the software is downloaded, and we need to go to the two website here. The first one is this one. Just copy this link you will get in my description box and click on download simply, and go to the download folder and run it from here. Click on run. Click on OK and click on next. Click on yes and click on run and finish. Okay, so if you want these items on here, you can also see the time here if you want, or if you don't want to see it like this. Okay, so this is also the good thing, but we are going to additional look of time. So go to this website and go to rain meter clocks, open that and select anyone like clock or date you want to select from here. So I'm selecting here this one, and this is also going to download from here as well. It is also a small software as well. So let me click on this option, download elegant clock. It's downloaded now. Go to the same folder, double click on it to run. Click on install. Also let me cut it from here, unload skin, and this should be downloaded here. So go to this and you will see here rain meter. If you are not able to see it from here, you can go to search bar, type there rain meter, just open that. Let me open it from here. Manage and go to elegant clock, and let me select the dark clock here. Click on load, click on close. So now you can see here date and time, and if you want to change it, the color or anything, click on manage and go to the same option, light, click on load and click on close. You can see here. So this is how guys you can download and install and use the time widgets on your Windows 11 or 10 operating system. So hope this video useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.